everybody. Today I'm going to be doing another manicure using this beautiful blue from this Profusion polish set. I'm also going to be doing some accent nails and glitter. If you didn't see my previous video where I showed this set, I got this set for like $2, I think it was, and it has like 5 sets of polishes. It was on clearance. It was one of the Christmas gift sets from Walgreens. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you would consider it. I post a lot of different types of videos, and recently I've been into doing manicures and nail videos myself, so I thought I would post some as well, showing you what I do. If you have any suggestions for videos that you'd like to see, please leave them below. So I haven't had a chance to get any liquid latex yet, so I'm still using this children's polish to go around my cuticles for easy glitter cleanup. If you haven't tried this and you don't have any other options, this seems to work pretty well. Now I'm taking this makeup sponge that I got in a set from the Dollar Tree, and I'm taking that glitter nail polish, and I'm going to put that on the makeup sponge and then sponge that onto my nail. As you can see, instead of the glitter getting directly onto my skin, it's getting onto the kids' nail polish that can peel up easily, and it makes cleanup so much easier. Then I'm going to take this cuticle pusher and I'm just going to gently go ahead and peel off that water-based polish and clean up that glitter. I do have some of the peel off polish left around my cuticle areas, but that's super easy to go back and peel up as soon as I'm done. Now I'm going in with my Sinful Colors Quick Dry Top Coat. And now I'm going to take the sponge with some glitter on it and also go over my nail just a bit at the top. Finally, I'm going to go in with my Gelish cuticle oil around the cuticles.